Well, good afternoon, folks. It's Murray coming to you from Ol'Red's garage today. We are going to take off the outer fenders and the grill today. And there's a larger project that I have to get to. I'm going to put on the Serpentine Belt System soon and need to get all these fenders and grill up out of the way. So you've seen me do part of this once before, but several fender bolts to remove, and going to take off the hood hinges. I have sold my hood and going to buy a new hood so that it's brand new material, same thickness as the factory, same design as the factory, but new material, easier to prep and paint. Several bolts under the wheel well that need to come out. Some I can get to with a little impact, some I cannot. So I have to use the old style ratchet and wrench trick. So these old bolts are rusty and crusty. They've been in there for 60 years by now. So some of you might wonder how I got into this F100 bump side Ford pickup project and hobby. Started way back on the farm in 1979, 1980. My dad had a 68 F100 bump side. As you can see here, it was blue with a white grill. And he gave that to me when it was sitting over in the weeds. And I pulled it out, put a Mustang engine in it back when that wasn't cool, and got it back on the road and fell in love with these trucks. So there's my dad in the background there on the left, trying to distract me from the project of working on the truck that day. You can see me kind of through the window. Anyway, I had a lot of fun with that old truck. And then I bought another one just like this. And then so I guess this is my third one. One of the reasons I like these old trucks is they're very simple to work on. They don't have any metric nuts or bolts in them. They're all American and made very simply. Very little electronics, just some blinkers and headlights, and you're good to go. So I like wrenching on these old things, and it sort of takes me back to a slower and simpler time in my life, I guess. If I had it to do over again, and if money wasn't an object, I would have wrenched on these things my whole life, probably. So there I got the grill off and the valance. Got one of the fenders off already, and just kind of looking it over here and realize I'm still missing one bolt on the driver's side fender. Kind of snuck up on me there. I've got to get under there and get that one out. And then there's a bolt on the side that keeps that fender from rattling that you have to get to up behind the front door. And it's kind of hard to get to, but I managed to fish that bolt out of there. Then there's one more bolt under the fender that needs to come out, and that fender is ready to come off. Yeah, that was easy. Yeah, so here's what it looks like with the no fenders, and I will be taking the inner fenders off on the next video, and probably the bumper, to get it out of the way so I can have full access to the engine. Just a shout out to one of my sisters. She gave me an LMC Ford truck magazine, which I've used a lot. So I hung the fenders and the grill up on the wall there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Ol'Red's Garage channel. Good day.